This is the data and AI category. Actually, it feels very good because JEC is like for us winning like a Super Bowl, right? So very excited. Well, this is, I truly believe this is an industry solution today. Although we bring these robots to improve our manufacturing rates. The way we do things today, it's not efficient. So the idea of this innovation is to provide an industry solution to make this robot efficient. In other words, take some of the operator dependency out of the inspections. Today we stop these robots every layer to stop doing manual inspections. With this innovation, we are able to reduce a lot of the downtimes you have in your robot, so it makes the robot more efficient. Anytime when you do a research, one of the things we do is we think about the end user. There are a lot of things I like to do, but if nobody wants to, if there's no use for the industry, those things are not going anywhere. So every time we do something, we always think about the end user, in our case, industry, and try to provide them a good solution for what they do today. For this case, I want to thank our sponsors, which is the U.S. Office of Naval Research, the U.S. Air Force Research Lab, as well as our industry partners. We actually partnered with a lot of industry, namely Joby Aviation. Joby actually has one of our prototypes in one of their production machines. So in 6 months, we are able to go to the certification agencies and show how effective are these new digital methods that use machine learning and artificial intelligence.